Hello guys, this is Adam from ESA. Welcome to BOLI Ceramics Limited Corporations. Our company has many years of experience in exporting ceramic tiles. And today it's my great honor to be here to make a tour guide about our company. In this part, let's follow BOLI Ceramics to take you into the world of ceramic tiles productions. So without further ado, let's get started.
The products of our company has passed 3C certification and many other inspections. The company's management standards are credible. What's more, our company has certified of high quality manufacture.
We have top original design, leading the trend of high end of the tiles. The product is more natural and realistic.
Our products are safely delivered to customers. Products from raw material selection, sampling and testing to start from the killing out of each link. There are a variety of research and development and technical data support, such as composition ratio, glaze allocation, printing technology, burning control and so on. This rigorous data by technical personnel control and create a fashion-forward space that reflects your personality and taste with our exquisite ceramic tiles. Order yours today and experience the magic of these ceramic tiles are not just aesthetically pleasing but also highly durable. They can withstand high traffic areas without losing their shine or beauty. Their sturdy build makes them ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. Each tile is designed with delicate plastic flowers